Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I would like to share you how to create the prompt generator. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, yes, you can create your own AI to create the prompt generator. Well, if you feel the difficulty to create the ultra detailed or very detailed prompt that usually very long and also very detailed, so you can create the prompt generator from your own. How to do that? So you can visit the Google AI Studio here, and also don't forget to do the login first with your email, and this will be the homepage of this Google AI Studio. And after that, you can click build here, and you can put your simple request into this section. For example, this is the request: build me an AI photo editing app using Nano Banana. But since we would like to create our own prompt generator, so you can start to put your request here. And for instance, I want to create the prompt generator to make the YouTube thumbnail. So I want that the prompt can create the very detailed and also beautiful YouTube thumbnail. So you can continue to put your request here and click run. And after that, it will bring you into this section. Well guys, for the process itself, usually depends on the complexity of your request. And for this special prompt generator, so it has consumed 80 seconds, and also usually show you the task that has been done by this Google AI Studio. And usually in the previous time, it was this section only show you a bunch of code. And after the waiting process, so this will be the result, guys. Well guys, initially I will told you that there is no option like the aspect ratio and output format. But if you would like to add more options into this generator or your AI, you can simply put it into this section. For example, I will show you. I want that this picture or the thumbnail to also show the title, because initially I have tried to copy the prompt output into this Raphael AI, because this is the very for free image generator, and the result is was like this. There is no any title and only the picture, which is actually okay, but I want the another option to make us more to create the thumbnail easier. And after the generation process, actually the result is still good, but since I have the experience to generate the picture here, so I used to generate the image with this Raphael AI, and actually the title also show down here, but the word is not actually correct, not following the prompt that I put into this section. So I might suggest you to create or generate the picture into this Gemini AI, Nano Banana, or this Canva, guys. But if you would like to create the simple and also still beautiful, you can create the image or generate the picture with this Raphael AI. Thank you, Raphael AI. And back to the prompt generator that we have made before. And for example, I want to add the several options like aspect ratio and also the output format, whether they're in the text prompt or JSON prompt. So you can put that request into this section. I will show you that this is my previous previous request to put the options of aspect ratio, and after waiting for 47 seconds, so the option will be shown here. And after I tried before, so I need more option like this, the output format. And after that, there is the option like this, text prompt and JSON prompt. And for example, you can put your very simple request like this. For example, this is the title, creating the CapCut template, and you can generate the prompt, and also don't forget to click or select the aspect ratio and output format and generate the prompt. So this will be the result in the JSON prompt, and you can copy it. And I usually generate this JSON prompt into the Canva AI, and also make sure that you have already activated the create image and also the ratio here. And after that, you can continue to put the prompt or the JSON prompt and generate it. So it will usually show you 4 outputs into this section. And actually, you can also generate that picture into the Google Gemini AI, but usually the picture will show in the 1:1 ratio like this. Which one do you prefer? So if we go back to this Google AI Studio to create your own prompt generator, so it will help you a lot to create from scratch your own AI or your own generator. And you can also save the app, or copy this app, or even download it. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to create your prompt generator from scratch with this Google AI Studio. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. And also, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.